All right. My name is Samuel Igwe, as you can see from this screen. And in this video, I want to talk about the new way to install the Facebook Pixel. If you check for some time now, you see that Facebook have changed so many things, especially when it comes to Pixel installation. So that is why I decided to make this video to show us how to install Facebook Pixel the new way. Now this video is going to be very short because I'm going to go straight to the point. If you don't know what is Facebook Pixel and the other things about Facebook advertisement, you check my previous video. I'm also going to put a link below the description of this video so that you can go and watch them. So we're going to go straight to it. And then now, before we go in that, I want to let you know that before you will be able to install Facebook Pixel, there are things you will have. One of them, you have a domain, like a website. So you have your own domain. After you have your own domain, probably you should have a Facebook account with a business manager, Facebook business manager account. So we're going to go straight into it. I will show you how to do that. It's going to be very easy and simple. Now I want to log in now. Let me use. Okay, now this is the website we're going to be using for this illustration. We're going to be using this WordPress website. And then what I'm going to do now is to go to business.facebook.com. That is how to access your Facebook Business Manager. So if you don't have business account, if you have not created your business account, you will need to create it. And then to create it, you need to watch my previous video on Facebook advertisement. So you need to watch that previous video. As I said, I'm going to paste the link to the video. You have the part 1 and the part 2. I'm going to paste the link to the video in the description below so you can be able to go and watch them if you wish. Now this is it. I'm going to go to here. This is the business account name here. This is a Facebook page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this setting icon beside the business account. So once it opens, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this more business settings. Wait for it to load. So once it opens, by now you should have known how to verify your domain and all that. So like if I go to this brand and safety now, if I go to domains, you see that we already verified the domain here. So I'm not going to talk about that domain verification because I talked about it in my previous video, so you can go and watch them. So what I'm going to do at this point to install Pixel, I'm going to click on this to review all tools. Then I will go to Event Manager. So in case you are using phone to do this, you will need to use maybe something like maybe Firefox browser or Chrome browser. I prefer Chrome browser. So if you are using Chrome browser or Firefox, what you need to do, you need to first of all go to, you see in that browser, your phone, there is this 3 dots that used to be here. Once you click on it, you should see something like a checkbox where you need to check to display the desktop mode. So it will be able to give you access to this business.facebook.com. If not, it will keep on redirecting you to mobile.facebook.com, that is m.facebook.com, and then you'll not be able to access this. So having said that, so at this point now, we have one pixel now, so we're going to create a new pixel, Facebook pixel, which we're going to add to this our website. Now to do that, you come to here, this data source, you click connect data sources. So you see the web, so that is one we're going to pick. Click on connect. So put in the pixel name. This one I'm going to just call it the website name, something like Easy Life Digitals. Let me just say Easy Life Pixels. You can name it anything just for identification, it doesn't matter. So after that, I'm going to click on create pixel. Now the pixel is created, but it's asking you to check if you have a partner integration for this, but we're not going to use partner integration, we're just going to use the easy way. So we're going to be setting it up manually. So we're going to close this. Now the change that the Facebook has made to this, normally before, after it has been created, once you click on continue pixel setup, now it's supposed to bring you up option to set it manually or not, but now it only brings you to this point, and you cannot go past here. Once you click on it, it brings you here. So what you're going to do after creating it, what you're going to do is you refresh this page. So when you refresh it now, when you click on continue pixel setup, it will now give you an option to set it manually. So now when we click on continue pixel setup, we see the option to do this. So we are going to, what we are working with is Meta pixel, that the Facebook pixel. You know, Facebook have been changed to Meta. So Meta is the name of Facebook. That is why even at the top of here you see Meta Business. So now we are clicking this. Click on this. What is it? It's hanging. Okay, click on continue or connect. So now we're going to use manual code instead of using partner. But if you want to use partner, you can use partner, or maybe if there's need for me to create video on how to use the partner integration, but I think this is easier for us to do what we want to do. So we're going to be installing this code manually. So you click on install code manually. So this is the code we're going to copy. Click on copy code. It has been copied now. So we head over to our dashboard in WordPress. So we're going to be installing a plugin. So we go to plugin, hover over the plugin, and then click on add new. There are many plugins you can use to do this. We have the one called AdFunk, and they also have the one we're going to be using, insert header. Insert header and footer. So this is it. Insert header and footer by WP Beginner. So we're going to click on install. After installation, we're going to activate it. Now it has been activated. What we're going to do, we go to settings. You see insert header and footer. You click on it. Remember we copied our code here, so let's click on it to copy it again. So this one, and then the code, we're asked to insert the code. You say paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section above the header tag. Now this is when you come to this plugin here, you have, this is the header section, this is the body section, this is the footer section. So and we are asked to paste it in the header section, so we're going to paste it in this first one. So just paste it. Don't change anything, just go down and save. So after we have done this, you see settings saved. So we go back here, we click on continue. So we turn on this automatic matching. We click on continue. This domain, we have not verified it because with the one we had verified is a different domain. So we're going to just click on continue. I already said I showed us how to verify a domain in the previous video. You can go and watch it. So go to Pixel overview. Now you can see, so when we need to refresh this, okay, so let's test the event and see if our Pixel is receiving event. So just go to test events. At this test event, what we're going to do, we're going to insert the website address to here. So we click on open. So as it's loading, we watch here and see once it begin to receive event, if our Pixel is set up correctly, it should be able to be receiving event. So, okay, you see it's page view. So go to sample page. It should be receiving all these events. That is to show you that our Pixel is set up correctly. So it's receiving event. So our Pixel is set up correctly. And nothing also, you can install Pixel helper to show you that this Facebook Pixel helper, it shows you that the Pixel is installed. So I showed you how to do this in the previous video. So that is practically how to install a Pixel the new way. So we have come to the end of this video. I told you that it's going to be short and straightforward. So if you can receive this, you know that you have successfully installed Pixel on your site. Okay, thank you. One more thing to do is, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, quickly do that now. So that you don't miss any of my video. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up, do that right now. And also you can comment. If you have any question, post it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to every question. Thank you.